Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator. First, always prioritize your safety. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable to prevent electrical shocks. Next, gather all your necessary tools, including a 13mm socket, a 15mm wrench, and a serpentine belt tensioner tool. Make sure your engine is completely cool before you... Now, let's locate the alternator, which is usually found on the front side of the engine. You might need to remove a few components, like the air intake duct or a power steering reservoir, to gain clear access. Once clear, use your serpentine belt tensioner tool to release the tension on the belt. Carefully slide the belt off the alternator pulley, ensuring it doesn't get tangled. With the jack correctly positioned, begin slowly pumping the jack handle to raise your truck. Lift it just high enough to comfortably place your jack stands underneath. Once at the desired height, carefully slide 2 jack stands under the sturdy frame rails, close to your jacking points. Ensure they are securely seated and locked into their highest position. Then, slowly lower the vehicle until its weight rests entirely on the jack stands and remove the hydraulic jack. Now, let's reassemble everything. Secure the new alternator with its mounting bolts, tightening them to about 35 foot-pounds. Reconnect the main power wire and the electrical connector. Carefully route the serpentine belt back onto all pulleys, ensuring it's seated correctly. Finally, reconnect your negative battery cable. Start the engine and check your dashboard for the battery light to confirm successful charging.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.